our Malibu adventure ride and getting running water to our place there. This is a John's Retirement travel blog production. We used a neighbor's tricycle to go to the city building where we go to sign up to get water to our place. And they're not going to have the meters for a little while, but we can at least get the permits and get the parts we need. And they said we can get water and use it until the meters come, and then we'll have to pay for it. But until then, it will be free. We got our parts list, and we had an idea of the hose we need. So we headed out to town to the local hardware store. There are a few. This one is in sort of a harder place to drive, but they have a lot of stuff in a small area. This is the main hardware store we were at. It's pretty crowded in there, but we could go in and look at all the stuff. In the neighborhood, there's a lot of fruits and vegetables and other stuff. A nice shopping area.
Ya, mandam na naugma. Dama lang naugma niya. Magbilin lang ko sa kung pangat.
This guy is measuring the tubing we're going to use for our water system, all 212 meters of it. By having one continuous run of the entire pipe, it's much less likely to have any leaks or breaks or stuff. Or if people have connectors together, sometimes they leak. This is doing it, it's a little harder this way, but it works a lot better. In fact, later they bought a metal pipe to put around that so when you go under a road, so if a heavy truck comes, it won't smash the pipe. And here's the pipe all put on top of the tricycle. And there are people digging along the road to get to the water thing, put the tubing under that. First we put the trench and put our pipe under there and covered it up, and then the next group of people for the next place came and made another trench or put it into our trench. And so there was a few people who were using that same trench or that same area to put their pipe down. Here the tubing goes underneath their driveway entrance. Here we cross the road, and the tubing goes across the road, and then it goes down sort of like a right-of-way for the water lines. It's a narrow way, but it's a right-of-way. People can use it for their water lines. Too narrow to do much else. Over 20 years ago, when they made the subdivision, there was a bigger pipe down the road where we are, and there was water off to the side to each house and meters there. And that worked for about 12 years. Then things started deteriorating some. And since this is private land here, the city doesn't want to dig or do stuff on it. So we each have our longer lines coming up from that valve up top of the hill down to where we live. One of these lines was here for a longer period of time, and you can see a connector and you can see water leaking out. So that was leaking, and sort of a big puddle came out of leaking water. These are kids at the hardware store playing in the back room with computers and stuff, keeping themselves entertained while their parents are running the hardware store. These are the water connections that go to our street. And the neighbors, there's a valve for each place. Later the meters will be attached there. This is when they turned it on and we actually had water to fill up these big empty things. So we had the tank that was empty, we can fill it up. We had these storage barrels that were all empty. We used the water plants in the garden and we got them all filled up, so we had our maximum capacity. And it was certainly a very happy event. Here, the silver tank had been about empty and then it got filled to overflowing. Even the blue tank got filled to overflowing. That was very exciting. However, the excitement sort of went away when the water sort of stopped. We didn't know what was going on. Water came back some. We wanted to fill everything up, and it stopped for a couple of days. And I heard that it was a thing that some of the materials weren't great. There was too much pressure, so some of the lines broke. And these are in the main area where they had to take out the cement to put the pipes in, re-cement everything. And then they had to, put a new line in. And so there was some problems. Now this is a place for rent. I just passed, and it's someone we know in Humboldt County that owns it. It's on the way in, the way to Malabal. And water did come back again, and we filled things up. And then it sort of stopped again as we were about to leave for a while. Now we are driving along Malabal. This is the same place I mentioned earlier that had a sign for rent. Resort. Oh yeah.
That was a very loud music.
We just passed one of the malls. We'd be on the way to pay our electric bill for the month. Yes, you have to actually be there to pay it or have someone pay it for you. You can't do that online.
Dako mo gini mual-mual. Din pa man sila dapit karon. Sa Vidra. Wa pa sila muman dito. Pero manaon na gyud sila kuya, pay bawami siguro ha. Ay, chat lang ko.
We are passing that same mall again now.
Also? Buwan pa na nilagyan naman na. Ngayon po bitaw to si Dayin nga. At nasugat po lagi ko no siya sa taga munisipyo. Ngayon nga manaot. O kato naging nasugatan po nimo. Amaw to kayo na. Ngayon tagayo na nila leking. Aron magkanaan kay agas. Oh. Kasi napa sila ikiwas o buwan. Ha? Miyagi, mura man to. Oh, that is not, that is different. That is not the one. Water district. Dili man na sila connection na no. Lain ko sila. Di ay kay one. Sana ikuanan yun ni Queen. Tantin mo na tubig ko.
A different hardware store, you get different things.
Ha? Tanawa oh. Murag nag-goal naman to sila katong station here in Mualboal.
This is where you turn off the road going to Panasama to the other road to the water. If you haven't yet, please hit the subscribe button or like or whatever.
Asa dapit sa Lapu-Lapu.
Sa doon ko si Silex ma'am.
Das inyong car wash.
Gahapon sa buntag na ako check out niya. Pagkahapon na ako arrival trap din ako tulas na ma'am.
Alas 9 sa gabi eh. Pero kuha naman kayo mong tulog. Sakto naman kayo mong tulog diha.
Wala problema. Kuha mo ko na dako na area mong kawasan niya.
A lot of corn is growing here.
Oh, yan naapoy ka ng CR.
Dito.
May nun kay kompleto. Mao na lang inyuhang ka ng kuan o sa kuan pa home base na ninyo o pananglit nga.
Muna yung home base na.
Pananglit nga namo pang drop off dire niya. Trasaw na kay
nga maabot dito, wala schedule dito, naabot may karwas dito, nga home base po.
Sa kuan Mandawi dapit. May noon di ay kay kuan ba?
So dili problema ang taga
dili
dito.
Problema ang taga dito. Oh, dili na kinahanglan nga mangabang pa og kuan hotel o resort nga katulgan. Kay kuan naman di ay namoy mga home base.
Gusto kag maglingaw-lingaw, bilyard, na bilyaran. Gusto kag magjuki, na bijukihan.
May noon pud na.
Dito na mong karwas diya ma'am.
May noon na kay kuan ba kana bang maka-relax mo. Dili tanto nga ma-stress gyud. Najumoy ka ng kuan ba kapahuwayan nga makatuog gyud mo. Pila pud mo kabuok diha mga driver?
One may can be store anang karwas na ma'am 40.
40.
For the driver in the store niya. Ang members na mo
so ikay nag
80 plus me.
Basin ipangkon lang ng kasiyahan. Napisiyuhan ng mahaloy.
Panatan.
Oo, panatan dyan. Lagi nagmapigmaw nga. Kuhan ko ba? Basin ipangkon lang ng kasiyahan. Napisiyuhan ng mahaloy.
Thank you for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video.
Kuhan ko ba?